At speeds up to 2.2 meters per second, the Seabike provides an exciting underwater experience whereby you may swim like a dolphin. Suitable for both pools and open water, this French creation is a 2.5-kilogram, lightweight, battery-free aquatic bike. Its 38-centimeter propeller is driven merely by your pedaling, therefore giving an environmentally responsible twist to underwater adventure. Assembling it just takes 2 minutes. The Seabike adds a fresh degree of thrills to water activities. ExoQuad ExoTex offers those with impairments off-road freedom. Designed by ExoTex, this all-terrain wheelchair features low seat for additional stability and 4 strong wheels to let riders negotiate uneven ground without tipping. Designed by paralyzed athlete Seabike Groven, it makes easy ascents over challenging hills. For people with upper body restrictions as well, special side supports provide a safe ride. Inspired by personal experience, its creative design provides outdoor independence to adventure seekers who need adaptable tools. Offering pads that raise up to 15 meters to replenish drones mid-flight, Ison's drone charging station is revolutionary in drone technology. These masts provide urban environments a multifarious use by supporting CCTV, solar panels, and weather sensors. Imagine a world in which drones monitor metropolitan traffic without the requirement of landing, or where streetlights double as drone chargers, from surveillance to delivery. Cities can effectively maintain drones flying, ready to do everything from logistics to emergency response with these charging stations. Red redefines quick setup, raise it in only 5 seconds. The ViewSky Rooftop Tent. Perfect for off-road activities, this tent fits on the top of your car using soft pads to guard against dents. Its robust architecture calls for remote-controlled X-shaped arms, a skylight with a mosquito net, and an attached ladder for simple access. An outside air conditioner cools the tent during hot evenings and warms you in chilly times. Entering the car from the rear door or a pop-up hatch shields you from the elements while still enjoying the stars. In few seconds, this is the best rooftop camping experience. Use BHaptics Tactsuit vests, X16 and X40 models for immersive experiences to improve your VR gaming. Both models provide sensory feedback that heightens gameplay, matching VR shooters, racing games, and adventures like Skyrim. While the X40 boasts 40, each individually controlled to replicate powerful effects like explosions or subdued spine-chilling sensations in horror games, the X16 has 16 motors. Including a headphone connection, the vests link via Bluetooth and offer up to 12 hours of play on one charge. Imagine a modular house with luxury and versatility fused with futuristic architecture. Any site beachside, campgrounds, resorts, or tucked away in the woods, the EBlueRGBSpaceHouse is ideal. Available in several forms, including the striking ice-shape variant, it has built-in furniture, plumbing, and lighting with dimensions of 11 by 4 by 3 meters. The design evokes an ambiance suited for a hero like Corbin Dallas and seems straight out of a sci-fi film. Each house folds into a 6 or 12-meter shipping container, so setting up is simple and compact and portable. This distinctive movable house guarantees comfort and design wherever you live. With Smart Nora, a revolutionary non-invasive tool that alters your sleeping posture to minimize snoring, bid farewell to it. Designed by Canadian startup Smart Nora Inc., this gadget comprises an inflated cushion insert and a bedside sound detector. The insert inflates and gently shifting your head compresses throat muscles to reduce snoring when the detector detects it. Smart Nora is a well-liked solution for continuous sleep, having exceeded 7 times its target on Kickstarter. Costing $359, this gadget guarantees a tranquil night for the snorer as well as their spouse, therefore improving the quality of sleep. American company Interlune is exploring lunar mining to retrieve rare and precious element helium-3 on Earth. Essential for next-generation technology, helium-3 shows promise in quantum computing and nuclear fusion. Advanced machinery will be sent by Interlune to the Moon to mine and collect this material. Driven by technical developments, The corporation expects helium-3 consumption to climb from 5 kilograms yearly to about 4,000 kilograms. However, specifics on transit logistics are yet unknown. Scheduling test projects for 2028, the business hopes to start mining by 2030. Den 4 Dogs provides climate-regulated cubicles where dogs can wait comfortably, therefore addressing the hassle of shopping with pets. Originally set up in Norway, these little shelters offer ideal ventilation and temperature and may be accessed with an Apple key card. Built-in UVC lamps maintain the environment hygienic. Floor heating turns on automatically below 5 degrees Celsius. Den 4 Dogs gives pet safety and comfort a priority during routine cleanings, therefore sparing owners the anxiety of leaving their animals outside in inclement weather. These booths let owners of different-sized dogs shop with peace of mind, knowing their beloved pals are safe and comfortable. Introducing the inflatable FerryBoat, a strong vessel meant for useful application in demanding surroundings. Perfect for anglers, hunters, building crews, and rescue squads, it can carry up to 5 tons. Just 200 kilograms, it inflates in just 5 minutes and has double-wall design that keeps sinking, even under unequal loads, from occurring. Its low draft lets one safely negotiate in seas as shallow as 5 millimeters per ton of cargo. Equipped with a 5-horsepower electric motor, it can achieve speeds of 48 kilometers per hour with a higher-powered engine, therefore providing dependable performance over remote areas and shallow waterways. With its small, road-ready design that fits into a regular parking spot, Australia's Pegasus Flying Car transforms science fiction into reality. Perfect for road travel, this single-seat automobile boasts a strong chassis and shock absorbs from a carbon fiber shell. Ground speed can reach 75 miles per hour, with a range of 261 miles. In flight, it can reach 99 miles per hour. It moves seamlessly from ground to air using a hybrid power source combining a piston engine and electric motor. Designed for individual users and emergency response teams. Imagine 2 floating lounges with a motor. Designed from fiberglass, the Chilli Island watercraft looks like a cozy pool chair, yet lets water aficionados lounge, sip beverages, and cruise. Its 6-hour running capacity on the water allows you time to relax and take in the scenery. Its canopy, inspired by leaves, is for maximum comfort. The best thing is, there is no license or specific knowledge needed. Simply get on and enjoy the wide sea. StarChase GPS systems help law enforcement find offenders. Officers throw a small GPS device, about the size of a Coke can, using a pneumatic launcher onto escaping automobiles. Once attached, the GPS magnetically monitors the automobile in real time, enabling law police to follow it without running a risky high-speed pursuit. Reusable and reasonably priced, this safer alternative performs even in cases of helicopter availability absence. StarChase is already being used by Woodbury Police, which facilitates the quietly locating of vehicles and enhancement of public safety. A little nimble robot developed at the University of Michigan. Skootr's inspiration comes from office chairs and marine stars. It's meant to negotiate difficult terrain. Perfect for indoor mapping or dangerous exploration, it's quite agile with a core sphere for stability and limbs with hinges. Most of its components are 3D printable, which makes it quite cheap and configurable. For research teams in need of mobile, dependable technology, its small size and versatility provide a quick, reasonably priced fix. China's response to autonomous driving is the Qomolo Q-Truck. Chinese ports already have this clever truck in service, with a 360-degree view and accuracy down to 2 centimeters. Managing several paths simultaneously, it is meant for maximum transportation efficiency. Port logistics would find the Q-Truck perfect given its 150-kilometer range and 40 kilometers per hour top speed. Its GPS-guided energy-efficient technologies open the path for a reasonably priced transportation future. The Qomolo Q-Truck is expanding the possibilities of cargo transportation with smart automation as developments keep on. Conkers were created by British designers as elegant little pods for leisure. This futuristic capsule, which has a 4-meter circumference, provides a comfortable environment with all conveniences: a kitchen, bathroom, and convertible sleeping or working space. Perfect for far-off sites, it's insulated and engineered to resist many temperatures, thus adaptable for isolated holidays or woodland retreats. Completely autonomous and readily installed, the Conker offers a simple but cozy haven from daily life. Flying to 60,000 feet for 18 hours, Proteus N281PR is an amazing jet. Although meant to fly 100 hours, it has logged more than 4,400 hours after completing more than 1,000 flights. Applied in telecommunications, Proteus's unusual curving fuselage can accommodate several high-tech devices, thanks to satellite connection, operable with or without pilots. This aircraft is a high-altitude communication platform connecting far-off locations. Proteus shows how future design may satisfy practical objectives by combining durability with adaptability. Not only are MP Desiberica's marine barriers pollution filters, but they also help to control oil spills. Perfect for port and marina protection, these Spanish-engineered barriers made of sturdy polyethylene float easily and resist currents and seas. Replaceable floats and corrosion-resistant materials let one to easily maintain the barriers. Apart from cleaning, they provide a line of protection for delicate marine environments, therefore maintaining ecosystems and avoiding pollution. Only now is crypto mining environmentally friendly. Combining solar panels and a wind turbine, the Canadian-made Crypto Solar Tree uses sustainable energy to run graphics cards for Bitcoin mining. At up to 11 kilowatts, this futuristic tree doubles as a home backup power supply. Its unusual shape, like that of a real tree, makes it elegant and practical. Perfect for anyone hoping to make money from green energy, several units allow maximum mining capacity. All the while lowering your carbon footprint, it's a wise investment in revenue and sustainable energy. Which technology in this video do you like the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.